So we move on to candidate B. Spell, no answer. Domestic, no answer. Enthusiastic, no answer. Fervor, spirit, we already said is wrong. But the uninitiated, we have a non-prisoner. So we said that spell is wrong. Domestic, nothing there. Spell, nothing there. Enthusiastic, nothing there. Fervor, spirit, this is wrong. We said that before for candidate A. The uninitiated, that is a non-prisoner. A non-prisoner is correct because it gives you that the person is not initiated. A prisoner, in this sense, as according to the passage, is initiated in what was going on. But a non-prisoner is not. That is also, it means almost about the same thing as a first-time visitor. So this candidate got this one correctly. One. So candidate A didn't get anything at all. Candidate B got 1 out of 5. So you want to see how serious knowing the meanings of words. It means that the vocabulary level is low. That is what we talk about. There's difference between linguistic competence and communicative competence. Some people will have a vague idea about the meanings of words, but what they really mean as to communication is out, and that means the person lacks communicative competence. They have only linguistic competence. We now move on to candidate C and D.